भइसक्यो कति 15 सेकेन्ड भन्दा धेरै ढिलै नै हुन्छ।
Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel Srawan Tutorials, and in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can create this amazing Pokeball effect inside your Like app. Now after watching this video guys, you will be easily able to create such type of magic effects inside your Android mobile phones within just minutes. So I request you guys, don't skip any part of this video. If you are new in this channel, then please consider subscribing this channel, like this video, and whatever steps I am doing you can follow along by looking this side here. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial.
Open your Like app. Then after tap in 4D magic. Create now. Now set the device on the table and don't move it anymore. Now guys, it will ask for you to shoot your background image. Shoot the background. Now guys, this will shoot your original video. So guys, here you can do any of the acting. You have to perform your acting according to your video. After completing the recording, it will processing now. Now from here, tap the Pokego effect. Tap it very hardly. Now from here, tap the Poke back effect. Okay. Now guys, look, our video is totally complete now. Let's take a preview of this.